Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shaini Narang and I'm your yoga guide. In today's video, we will learn some basic yoga practices which can help you manage your blood pressure and hypertension. So blood pressure is becoming very common. High blood pressure is a result of many factors. First, an important factor is the stress. A lot of us are really rushing and running, following the hustle culture, which doesn't really resonate well with our bodies. We are getting a lot more stressed and anxious than ever before. तो उसकी वजह से हमारा blood pressure बहुत बढ़ रहा है. So the first and foremost step is to reduce the stress. And we will practice some basic postures, basic breathing exercises, which everybody can do to bring their stress level down. The second important factor, which is also causing a lot of heart issues and blood pressure issues, is your food, your khana. The amount of intake of food that we have and the quality of food that we have is not optimum. So for that, I would really request you to connect with an Ayurvedic nutritionist, an expert who can guide you well so that you can change your diet as per your body composition and your condition. The third important factor is lack of movement. Not many of us are moving enough during the day. So for BP patients, it's a must that you include 40 to 45 minutes of brisk walk in your daily routine. You need to move the body. And brisk walk is the safest out of all the movements. Yoga will help, but along with that, I would highly urge you to make brisk walking a regular part of your routine. It's most important because the vessels are getting clogged because of high cholesterol levels. The blood flow is not going through easily. So, very important to reduce that cholesterol level, to open the blood flows, the vessels a little wider so the blood flow can pass, blood flow can happen naturally, easily. Please include movement. And yes, now we will start with some basic practices that will really help you reduce the stress level, increase the blood circulation, open the heart, and will allow you to breathe better as well. So let's begin with today's video. So keeping your spine straight, use a cushion or a block to sit so the knees are lower than the hips. And rest your right hand on the chest, left hand on the belly. Gently close the eyes to observe the breath. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. This is just to center and align so you can focus on your practice. Connect with yourself, with your breath. As you breathe in, expand the body like a balloon. As you breathe out, let go of the breath. Feel a little contraction in the belly with the exhalation. Inhale, expand. Exhale, relax. And gently bring the hands down. Observe your breath again. And gently open the eyes. I hope you are with me, centered. Now let's begin with the practice. You can do this first half of the practice on a chair as well. अगर आप ज़मीन पे नहीं बैठ पा रहे हैं तो आप चेयर पे भी बैठ के ये कर सकते हैं. So we'll first start with some spinal movement. Interlock your fingers and raise the arms over the head. Stretch your elbows and lengthen the spine upwards. Pull the navel in and feel that stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. ऊपर की ओर खींचेंगे शरीर को. Inhale Exhale. One more time. Breathe in. Stretch your arms up. थोड़ा और ऊपर की ओर खींचेंगे. दोनों elbows को straight रखते हुए. Very nice. And exhale, relax. Whenever our arms go up over the head, there is a natural blood flow that comes to the heart. So जैसे हम हाथों को ऊपर करते हैं, शरीर का जो रक्त का प्रवाह है वो दिल की तरफ बढ़ जाता है, which will regulate the flow of your blood in the heart. So it's very essential that you do this simple movement every day. So one more time, let's go with me. Interlock your fingers, raise the arms over the head. Open the chest. This time look up. कोशिश करेंगे ऊपर की ओर देखेंगे और अपनी spine को ऊपर की ओर lift करेंगे. Look up and try to lift the spine little more up. Open the chest to the sky. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Look forward and release. Exhale. Lovely. Now we will place our right hand on the mat and stretch it out as far as you can, keeping both the hips on the mat. दोनों hips को mat पे रखते हुए दाहिने हाथ को अपने से दूर. Stretch your left arm over your head and open the chest to the sky. मतलब आप कोशिश करेंगे कि अपने chest को ऊपर की ओर, आसमान की ओर लेके जाए. Feel the stretch. This will allow your lungs to expand little more. तो आप गहरा लंबा सांस ले पाएंगे. Breathe in. Breathe out. एक और बार सांस भरें. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly come to center. Same thing on the other side. इस बार left arm को अपने से दूर रखेंगे. Stretch till the point you feel lifted and both the hips are on the mat. Don't lift the hip. Push it down and raise the right arm up diagonally. Open the chest to the sky. Stretch further, pushing the hips down. Lift up the chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch further, breathe in. And slowly exhale, come back. Amazing. You feel more expansion in the chest, in the lungs. The better the expansion of the lungs, the deeper the breath goes. जितना आपकी सांस गहरी होगी, उतना आपका stress level कम होगा. So this is the reason why we practice this. Now we'll go to the next one. A little twist for the spine. Right hand को left knee पे रखेंगे. We'll place the right hand on the left knee and twist. Look back. This is to decompress the spine, activate the nervous system, and relax the nervous system at the same time. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Same thing on the other side. Left hand on the right knee. Twist, look back. This is to relax. Take deeper breaths. कोशिश करेंगे पेट तक सांस को लेके जाएं. Breathe in. Breathe out. And release. Lovely. Now we'll practice few rounds of cat and cow. उसके लिए हम इस position में आएंगे. This is called all four position, जिसमें we'll place the hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. If your knees are sensitive, आप knees के नीचे एक towel, cushion कुछ रख सकते हैं ताकि knees में pain ना हो. यहाँ से we will inhale, arch the back and lift the chest up. Open the chest to the sky and then round the spine, drop the head and bring the chin close to the chest. स्पाइन को ऊपर रखेंगे, नेवल को अंदर की ओर. सो दिस इज योर कैट एंड काउ. इसके कुछ राउंड्स हम करेंगे. लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर नाउ. इनहेल, आर्च, open the chest and round the spine. Lift the spine up, drop the head. Exhale, pull the navel in. Again, tailbone को lift करते हुए बैक को आर्च करेंगे, मतलब एक गड्ढा जैसे बन जाता है बैक में, वैसा. And inhale, lift up. Bring the chin also up. And drop the head down. Pull the navel in, curve the spine. Bring your chin close to the chest. One more time. Inhale, arch. Open the chest for a deeper breath. जितना गहरा लंबा सांस ले सके उतना अच्छा. And exhale, round your back. Drop the head down, pull the navel in. Lift the spine up. And release. Gently relax. Come back to center position. Now we learn the most important posture ever. अगर आप ये पोज रोज प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपका ब्लड प्रेशर बहुत जल्दी कम हो जाएगा. द हाई बीपी विल कम डाउन एंड यू विल बी रेगुलेटेड. सो इस पोस्चर को करने के लिए हमने एक कुशन लिया है. इट्स यू कैन यूज अ बोल्स्टर, अ बिग राउंड काइंड ऑफ कुशन, और यू कैन ऑल्सो प्लेस 2 पिलोज वन अबव द अदर. तो हमें एक प्रॉप की ज़रूरत है इस पोस्चर के लिए. और अगर आपके पास 2 छोटे कुशन्स हैं तो आप वो भी लेके आएंगे. यूज़ देम ऑल्सो. एंड if not, you can use 2 blocks also. Not many people have yoga blocks, so you can use cushion blocks, even books or any other prop will work. So the posture's name is Supta Baddha Konasana. To do this posture, we will lie down on our spine. Hips are on the ground and the spine is on the pillow or cushion. So that is the most important part, because we want to open the chest. You see the positioning of the chest? The shoulders automatically go down, the chest is lifted, and the arms are lower. So this is the most important part. You see my hips are touching the ground. Hips को mat पे रखेंगे और spine को अपने bolster या pillow पे रखेंगे. We will also use the blocks. Place them close to the knees. Now join your feet and open your knees. And rest your knees on the block. Now you can do this with me. पैरों को जोड़ के रखेंगे and knees are falling out. Rest the knees on the block or the cushion so that you don't feel tightness in the lower abdominal area. इसको बिना इसके करेंगे तो यहाँ खिंचाव महसूस होता है. We don't want the pull in the lower abdominal area. We want to relax the lower abdominal area, and that's the reason this is the position we want to have with the help of props. Now simply rest the hands to the side and take few deep breaths. This is easiest of all poses, supported Supta Baddha Konasana. And you will see automatically the breath goes deep into the lower abdominal area, relaxing the whole nervous system. Just enjoy a few deep breaths here. This is for the editor. You could please loop this and make it like for at least 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. So that people can benefit from this posture. After you feel fully rested, you can gently first use your hands to bring the knees close to each other. घुटनों को एक दूसरे के पास ले आएं. And use the support of the hands to come up and take a sitting position. Amazing. So very, very essential Simple posture, but such an important posture to practice for high BP or for any lifestyle diseases. So now we can move on to some pranayam practice. We'll do two important breathing exercises. Here, the first one is Anulom Vilom, alternative nostril breathing, and the second one is Bhramri. So we'll do few rounds of both. To do Anulom Vilom, use your right hand and drop the first two fingers and work with the thumb of the right hand and the last two fingers of the right hand. This is called Vishnu Mudra. हम सिर्फ इसी से मूवमेंट करेंगे ब्रेथ का. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is basically to balance the parasympathetic and sympathetic side of the body, two parts of the nervous system. It also balances our masculine and feminine energy, our yin and yang, and it also reduces the stress majorly. So, how to do this? We inhale from the left nostril, exhale from the right, then we'll inhale from the right again and exhale from the left. This completes one round of Anulom Vilom. Because we want to direct the breath movement from one nostril to other, we use this Vishnu Mudra. So now let's practice together. Rest your left hand on the knee, palm facing up, touch the first finger to the thumb. Place your right thumb on the right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale completely from the left first. Empty your lungs. Now inhale from the left till the time you feel full. Close your left with the last two fingers. Open the thumb. Exhale from the right nostril. Once you fully exhale, inhale from the right again. Close your right. Exhale from the left. One more time. Inhale from the left. Close your left with the last two fingers. Open the thumb. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Close the right and exhale from the left. So we have done 2 rounds of Anulom Vilom. If you feel tired, take a pause. अगर आप ठीक है, अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं तो कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ठीक है, सेम रिदम है, लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट टू लेफ्ट. एंड आफ्टर एवरी राउंड ट्राई टू टेक योर ब्रेथ डीपर. जितना और गहरा हो सके उतना और गहरा करेंगे अपनी सांस को और बड़े सहज भाव से इसका अभ्यास करेंगे. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Closing the right, inhale from the left. Close the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Continue. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. कोशिश करें आपकी सांस की आवाज़ आपको भी ना आए, इतना सहज तरीके से इसका अभ्यास करें. Try that you should not be able to hear the sound of your own breath. It's that subtle, effortless, without any pressure. Gentle, slow inhalation and gentle, slow, deep exhalation. Do one more round. Whenever you exhale your breath from the left nostril, then you can give rest to this pranayama. Simply observe your breath. Feel the calmness, the relaxation. You can gently open the eyes and observe the last pranayama, which is called Bhramari. Bhramari is a pranayama where we inhale from the nose and exhale in a humming sound, like this kind of a long humming exhalation. To bring the focus inwards, we will try to use the fingers and the thumb. To close the eyes, we'll use the fingers. To close the ears, we will use the thumb. The idea is to feel the vibration, the humming inside, and not get distracted with the things outside. So let's practice few rounds of Bhramari. So with me, close your eyes with the fingers, ears with the thumb. Take a breath. Gently bring the hands back on the knees. Observe the state of mind. Observe the state of being. We will close this practice with one Om Ucharan and 3 times Shanti. Take a breath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. And slowly cover the eyes. Feel the warmth of the palms in the eyes. Blink your eyes softly inside the palms and slowly look at the palms. I hope you're feeling relaxed. The body is relaxed, the mind is relaxed. And I hope that you found this video useful. अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा हो और आराम महसूस हो रहा हो, then make sure that you practice this every single day. It's a simple practice which you can make your part of the daily routine. Also, don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. I'm sure you know somebody or the other who's suffering from high BP. तो प्लीज़ उनको ये वीडियो ज़रूर शेयर करें ताकि वो भी इस वीडियो से प्रैक्टिस करके बेटर फील कर सकें. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep practicing yoga and namaste.